My name is Josh Drushel. I'm one of the Vice Presidents for Student Painters, Young Entrepreneurs. And I'm the VP for Ohio, but I oversee all of Ohio, part of Pennsylvania, part of Kentucky, and a little bit in Indiana. And I started back in 2008 as a student intern. I actually was a junior at Ohio State when I initially joined the organization. I had never had an internship or anything before, had always just worked at full-time jobs during the summer. Approaching graduation, just knew I really needed something that was put on my resume that was going to ultimately separate me for my future opportunities that I saw myself getting into. And so I heard about this in a classroom. Somebody just came in, made an announcement, signed up on a clipboard, just kind of on blind faith, went to an informational meeting, and eventually got hired into the role. And it was an incredible opportunity for me. It challenged me each and every single step along the way, particularly in things with communication, being a more introverted individual when I initially joined. Things like marketing and sales were definitely tough early on, but that definitely was some of my biggest growth areas. I spent a year as a branch manager, spent another summer as an executive mentor shortly before I graduated. But then I actually left the organization. I spent about a year and a half or 2 years pursuing my degree in finance. Went into that field doing some corporate finance type stuff. Very quickly realized that just sitting in a cubicle, kind of corporate style work was not me, was not my personality. Quite honestly, never regretted that I took that path and at least somewhat pursued it. But it very much solidified the fact that me being here was kind of the right path from a career choice. And so I came back, always stayed a little bit involved even when I was in finance. But I came back officially, I believe it was 2011, was my first year full-time, was a GM for several years, and now as VP, just kind of helping our mentors run, again, mainly the Ohio region. To be honest, it's hard to even put into words. It means everything. It's something that, for me, the things that I learned through this opportunity, I utilize in all aspects, all walks of life. Of course, I use it for this. But I use it in my family life, just as a dad, as a husband. I use it for sports, for stuff that I'm still involved in there, as a coach. And it's kind of a way. It's a way of life in a lot of ways. Just being positive about things, being optimistic, and those are just traits that I would like to think I had a little bit beforehand, but just very much solidified through this program my first couple of years. Just again, kind of a way essentially to live. Well, first off, I'm a big believer this program is definitely not for everybody. I think pretty much everybody that's gone through it knows that and would agree with that. But for the right person, it is very much a life-changing opportunity. And when I say right person, like somebody that's really seeking something that's going to be super hands-on, is going to push you outside of your comfort zone, you want to be challenged, want to maybe get into future leadership, opportunities. And the reality is so many other internships that are out there, they can tend to be more coffee running, paper filing, sitting in a cubicle. I've had internships like that as well too before I graduated from OSU. This just gives you such an incredible real world experience. And so for somebody that's really seeking that, again, they're not just seeking to put something on their resume, they just, hey, that I did an internship, that actually it has substance to talk about in future job interviews. That is one of the biggest things that I think separates this opportunity. Well, doing this for as long as I have, seen hundreds and hundreds of students that have gone through this. But even just going back through my first year or two, the individuals that most of them are now long gone from young entrepreneurs, doing their own things. They have their own families and kids and everything else now at this point. But I still stay connected with so many of them. And again, I guess it's talking about things like business and just understanding what they're doing, but life stuff, as well too. And so that community of individuals, and I think it's just because they're all so like-minded in so many different ways that it's not forced, but just as you spend that amount of time with each other over the 6, 7, 8 months that this lasts, those friendships are formed. And what I find many, many times is kind of a lifelong bond.